This is the time when IShowSpeed got stream sniped on a boat.
You just smacked my ass, right? I know that was it.
There's some fans coming.
Huh?
Fans coming.
No way. No, already stop the boat. Stop the boat. Stop the boat. I want to talk to them. There is no way they just stream sniped me on a boat. Nah, come over. Come here. Come here. I just got stream sniped on a boat. Bro, you like 10 years old.
Can we get a picture?
How you got your license? You like 10 years old and you driving a boat?
Selfie.
Chad, Norway too crazy. Yeah, bro. You deserve a selfie after this. He deserve a selfie. Chad, he deserve a selfie. Chad, this dude stream sniped me on a boat.